Hey, what's up everybody? I'm professional mountain bike rider and Candade Tread Trails ambassador Jeff Lenoski. Today I'm going to show you how to put together one of these 20-inch Candade kids bikes. If you've never built a bike before, don't let it intimidate you. It's super easy and you can do this anywhere. Let's get started opening this box of happiness and see what's inside. Every single one of you is going home with a free bicycle today. Alright, this is going to be awesome. So the first thing you want to do is take the bike and all the contents out and either set them on a table or the ground. The first step is going to be to take off all the packaging material to get your bike ready to assemble. Basically anything that's plastic or cardboard is going to come off of the bike. Alright, so once all the packaging is off, the first thing I like to do is put on the front wheel. So loosen the axle nuts just enough so that it can slip into the fork. Make sure that the fork is orientated properly. There's a sticker on the back that says rear, and insert the front wheel. So if you look closely, there's little tabs that slip into the hole. This keeps the wheel from falling off if it ever becomes loose. You're going to use the 15mm wrench to tighten the front wheel. Once the front wheel is on, you can put down the kickstand, and voila, the bike will hold itself up for the rest of the assembly. Next thing you're going to want to do is put in the handlebars. So push down on the bolt on top and slide that into the fork, and you're going to want to put the handlebars as far in as possible. Use the 13mm wrench on top to make sure that it's tight. Next you're going to want to make sure that the handlebars are tight, so use a 6mm Allen wrench on the top hex nuts and keep going back and forth in an alternating pattern. Once the handlebars are tight, it's time to put in the seat. Make sure it's as straight and as low as possible. And then use the 13mm Allen wrench to make sure it's tight. Now comes the most difficult part of a bike assembly, installing the pedals, because the left pedal is threaded opposite. But in order to make it easier, these bikes have stickers on them that you can match to the crank arms, and it tells you the direction to thread the pedal so that it inserts into the crank arm properly. So pay careful attention that you're matching the stickers with each crank arm. You're going to use a 15mm Allen wrench for the install. Alright, now the bike is totally assembled. The last step is going to be to put some air in the tires. 30 PSI should be perfect. And you just did some do-goodery. So hopefully you found this video informative, and on behalf of Candade, thanks for helping us get more kids outside and active.